What is up, guys? I'm Zuff.
I'm Rob.
And this is Real Time. Terror come back at you with Season 6, Episode 17 of TVD, A Bird in a Gilded Cage. Last episode was completely insane. There was a lot going on with Kai, Damon, and Bonnie. We figured out more about Damon's mother. She was a ripper. She went in different countries and she was coming to Manhattan to be a ripper. She's killed probably 3,000 plus people. And that is absolutely insane. Kai was even recommending Damon not to bring her back because she is not a good person. I'm surprised she didn't even rip Bonnie. Bonnie probably just got away in the nick of time to save her life because she probably would have killed Bonnie in that world. But yeah, she's back there stuck. I don't know if Damon's gonna still pursue this. I think that he may. I think that the mom's probably gonna come back or he's gonna go into that world at some point. But yeah, that's a very interesting story and I can't wait to explore it more.
Yeah, speaking of Ripper, got a new couple. We got Care Ripper and Stripper. They are a brand new Ripper couple. That is Caroline and Stefan. Care obviously turned off her emotions before and was going crazy last episode. Not killing people, but like she was making people kill people at one point. She was making Liam kill Sarah Salvatore. Didn't happen, luckily, but she kind of lost the plot there. I mean, we've seen people with their humanity switch turned off. It's just not good. She was probably honestly on the better side of things, but still, it's very bad. And her solution was, or her compromise was, Stefan, you have to turn yours off too.
Do you think there's a chance that he like faked it?
I don't know. That looked pretty real to me at the end. Him acting like that, and him telling Elena like, you need to bring me back eventually, which is kind of cool because Elena's like the one person that I guess could bring him back. So we'll see, but just them being a Ripper couple is going to be insane. I don't know what they're going to get into. I hope he doesn't lead her into like the whole Ripper, like actual Ripper, like ripping the heads off and whatnot, but it's going to get crazy, I feel like.
If you guys like our videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out our links in the description. Got the Patreon, the Discord, and all of our social media. Seeing our got into Season 2, Episode 17 of TVD, A Bird in a Gilded Cage. Let's do it.
See, I feel like Caroline would have been fine if they didn't fuck with her.
My apologies, Cinderella. What are you doing?
He's not going to be happy that Stefan's emotions are off because he's trying to ruin him, isn't he?
Yeah.
Second, they draw any suspicions, break in.
This is so weird. He's cleaning.
Caroline's just by far the best humanity flip
I will end up rotting in a
out of everyone.
So far.
I don't know. She was doing some pretty fucked up things to Sarah.
But like I said, she only did that because they fucked with her, and she told him not to do that.
Explain why your sticky fingers needed it last night.
You're the only one with Sarah Salvatore's phone number.
Why did you need Sarah's number?
I just had Liam cut her chest open.
Settling. Tell me she's still alive.
She's alive. Assuming she survived any infections resulting from Liam's amateur.
Let's be real. Elena blood.
How was the rave?
Oh, you know, loud, lame.
Left the door open. That's how you know he's Ripper.
Anything you'd like to talk about? Bro to bro? Stay out of my way today.
I mean, Damon, how are you gonna let that happen? You just got big broed by your little bro.
Last night, you had a little bit too much to drink. Professor found you passed out on the quad.
Where does Joe's last name come? Where does Laughlin come from?
She had she changed her name.
Is it just a fake name?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait. You thinking, baby?
You haven't been?
No, I have. No, I have. I totally have.
Name one.
Tarantula.
Damon.
Caroline's humanity. Turns out he was her emotional trigger. No thanks.
Take it away from me, because I'm seconds away from using it on this.
No.
58, and apparently she's a vampire, not just any kind of vampire.
Damon, your mother is alive.
She's a ripper, Elena.
Oh.
Makes perfect sense.
It's a buzzkill.
How much of a mama's boy?
Enough to get his humanity switch back on?
Strings of admit her approval. We both would. We loved her. She was our world.
Aww.
Your dad shot you guys.
No. No way.
Giuseppe.
You can't tell me that his mother isn't an emotional trigger.
Elena, this woman killed so many people that an entire coven of witches built her a permanent timeout.
I'm so curious to see her.
I might know a few witches that can help.
I'm not helping
What about Liv?
Kai.
Is Liv still in the show?
First thing you did
Yeah.
was after
Her and Tyler broke up.
Where's
Is Tyler in
Tyler?
the show?
Apologize.
Who cares?
Me.
About Tyler. I like Liv.
Flip Stefan's switch. He triggers Caroline. Emotional dominoes. Hey! Everybody wins. I think you're gonna want to join us. Stick with me, Bonnie Bennett. I might just have the answer to all your prayers.
What?
If you're sincerely looking for a way to make up for the hell that you put me through, this is it.
Okay, the problem is,
This isn't even that important to you, though, Bonnie. Like, more of a Damon, Stefan, Elena thing.
oh, that's weird.
Oh.
Oh.
It wasn't my pocket.
Oh my god.
You need a celestial event to zap us there.
Okay, so what's the catch?
I'll go if you go.
Why?
I mean, well, there's some way to reunite her with her humanity.
No way. Yes.
She's in her Glee era. Oh, her emotions are back. Ryan?
You got her audition or Eleanor Wong?
Hello? Pretty sure I crushed that.
Ripper!
Moving, truly.
Ripper!
He's back.
What the hell are you doing? That was
You asked him to be like this.
We crafted good student routine, straight and narrow. Anything to keep you
Just
from
fucking took that dude's head off, dude.
I was not expecting that.
Wow.
Your problem.
If my life is gonna fall apart when my humanity starts flooding back, then so is yours. When I'm done with you,
Oh,
you'll be drowning in mistakes.
you're gonna regret making him turn or asking him to turn.
Yes, it is. And this is a control freak's worst nightmare.
This is blood on your hands.
Undoing your routine. This is me. Forcing you to let go. One day at a time.
Stefan's so evil.
Damn. Crocodile Dundee called. He wants his knife back.
He's no longer. There was that joke.
Oh,
By 1903 standards?
Whoa. Who said you're
it's like they're going on a road trip. They're going to 1903 with time travel.
Let's go get mom.
This is exciting. I'm so excited. This is exciting. I'm so excited.
Penguining.
Oswald Cobblepot.
Why do we have to find another one?
These Senate can't travel between worlds, which means we gotta find its mirror image here in 1903.
What?
Big rule book. Shall we?
I don't want to leave you alone with him. I'll be fine. He's good enough.
Catching snowflakes.
Hell no. But Damon and Elena need to meet his mom alone. So shut up and let's find this son.
I love it.
Oh shoot! Is your bike okay? I need money for the bus.
Seriously.
I just
Seriously.
I'm an auto mechanic.
Seriously.
Terrible at revenge.
I dismantled your bike.
I tore your director's head off with my teeth. Caroline, did you literally just unbolt this damn thing? I mean, it's gonna take me, what, 10 minutes to put this back together? Embarrassment to humanity-free vampires everywhere.
Okay, well.
Shouldn't have said that. List.
Oh, it's
Yeah, baby list.
yeah, kid names.
List. List.
I have veto power.
Good. Then I veto Duke.
Well, Whitmore.
Enzo, I must appear in the episode.
Really hoping you've got enough vervain to get Blondie and her cohort from here to the Salvatore cellar without...
Lark, I'm barely in the show and Caroline's ruining it for me. Need your help.
To grow up with a father. I granted a cowardly father. Probably play catch and run from the ball. Or go fishing and...
Damn.
Shitting on Rick.
House that you grew up in? Oh, Damon, you were so adorable.
That's Stefan.
Except that stuff.
Yep.
This is me.
Little man.
We're not here to socialize.
Where's she at?
Never another chance.
Chance of what? Eviscerate another literal boatload of people?
Stefan was a ripper.
Is.
Her and my mother died when we buried her empty coffin. What we're looking for is just a tool to get my brother back.
Damon?
Oh. Reunion.
Hello, mother.
Oh, straight up
Hello,
tears falling out
mother.
my ears.
Tears out of the ears.
Sounds like an infection.
There was a time I marked days on a calendar. I gave up after a few years, but judging by your bizarre blood.
And you never thought to stop by and clear things up?
How did you end up here?
Lily's beautiful.
Mrs. Salvatore?
Huh?
Classic.
Had to get it in there.
Arrived at New York Harbor. The night sky was alive with this.
Doesn't feel like a Ripper at all.
Uh-uh.
Out of nowhere, a coven of witches attacked. And when I
She feels
woke,
like a witch
they
from
were
the
gone.
originals. I don't know how to explain that.
Genevieve.
The last of the blood here. 2 drops a week just to stay awake.
That sounds miserable.
Damn.
Manage.
Wasn't she just
I heard
chopping
your
wood?
father turned during the war.
How does she have the energy?
That man.
Oh, I know you did. So much so that you left your kids with him, faked your own death, and went out to join the Ripper.
Damn.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Thanks.
You in there?
Coins are dropping.
Oh, grenade. Ah, grenade.
They're just fighting each. I don't think they're gonna be a couple.
Not with it off.
I'm not gonna let you ruin my life.
Okay. And I'll end it.
He wasn't gonna do it. What if she actually killed him?
Just fucking kill Stefan. Fuck you, Stefan.
You have really nice palms.
Weird.
I think he is good now, though.
I like Kai.
I do too, even though he is so fucked. Just think about how he slaughtered his little kids.
That's growth right there, bro.
Not his kids.
You used to hate him, Zuff.
I
Now you
do.
like him.
I do.
He grew on you.
His hair grew on me.
Well,
Oh, jeez.
I think your hair grew on you.
Dude,
Sorry.
you cannot be doing that to her.
I didn't mean to do
But
that.
you did it anyway. Because even
Sorry, I let the Kai out.
the older
Ooh, let the guy out. Woof, 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 woof.
Need to let Luke drive the boat a little bit.
Let me drive the boat.
Angel telling him that everything's gonna be okay.
So you're gonna be an angel again. How screwed up you really are.
If I was her, I would just be like, why the fuck are we sitting here? Let's get the fuck out of here. Like, what?
I'd love nothing more than to see him again.
Pack your bags.
Wonderful. I'll alert the others.
What? Who?
You'll alert who now?
You knew so much about me, I assumed you'd heard of my traveling companion.
Oh no. Catherine.
What? Traveling companion.
Is it Catherine?
I don't know.
Everyone, meet my son, Damon.
Who are these guys?
Take us home.
I don't know if this invite had a plus
Dude.
+5 with it.
They were like those people that were in the cave
Definite role model material.
early on in the
Yeah,
show.
they haven't had blood, it looks
Yeah.
like.
Back to me because you brought her into your life. Now, if that is your idea of fun, you need to take a long look in the mirror, pal.
Yeah, Rick. Make him feel bad.
Kid, death. Sounds lovely.
What are you doing?
Forget you saw this.
What are you doing?
Called break. Called practice. Is he okay? Fine.
Oh, he don't care.
I'm calling you jackass.
Second in losing control. No saving strangers.
Rip that head off.
Just cracked him. Shut the fuck up, Stefan.
In your room, I'll deal with you later.
Tell her to forget it.
Voices.
Enzo?
We're here to kill you, Stefan. Turn your emotions back on. So I can torture you.
Ew, what is that?
I think it's a Revane grenade.
Oh. Yeah, Rick, you can't be getting hit with that. I want to see these people. They're probably fucking crazy.
I've been trapped here with you the whole time. We went everywhere together. I happened to be on the boat that night.
They had a coven of rippers.
Don't happen to have the same affinity for rolling heads, do they?
On the contrary,
Oh.
there wouldn't be enough to wake them. So I learned to control
A lot of
It's like
them.
we need to unlock them.
for them.
Yeah, like they're unplayable characters
Yeah.
right now.
Yeah.
Human again. I'll fetch the last of the blood so we can revive them.
You guys can just give them your blood.
She's a vampire dollhouse.
Damon,
Oh.
Because Bonnie's not looking for the Ascendant, Elena.
What?
The Ascendant must be around here somewhere.
What's she looking for?
Looking to kill him.
Because there's a sliver of good in you.
And you'd be right. Looking, and nope. They didn't hide the Ascendant in a random.
Oh shit, Bonnie.
Don't leave you here. All alone? Drive you to the point of wanting to end your own life? I almost killed myself because of you!
Can they get back without him?
I know. So have I.
He's gone. Bonnie was
Ooh.
going to kill him.
Yeah.
At least they're still breathing.
Oh, Damon must be up to something good if he sent the B team.
Own urge to kill. Just be done with them.
Team.
Stand still and don't scream.
What are you doing?
The thing that you keep resisting.
Do it.
Rip it.
Ripper.
That's gotta be one of the weirdest things when they're like just record like shooting this. It's like,
Yeah.
all right, time to put my mouth on your neck
Hmm.
and look mean.
She has a really pretty neck.
Oh, good song.
Uh-oh.
Ah.
Oh, jeez, stuff.
Magnetic, everything about you. You really taught me well.
Uh-oh. The dark side. Just take it off. Oh, shit.
Oh. Oh.
This doesn't count.
Does it not?
Hypnotic taking over me.
I think it might. Looking like it might
Damn.
count.
Their first time? Their emotions may be turned off. But something's turned on.
They are still horny. Would that not be an emotion?
Oh, they.
We'll come back, brother. Promise. Let's go.
Damon, look outside.
Uh-oh. Crazy, crazy lady.
Start to get out of here. You got it? Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me. Go, start the damn spell.
She's gonna awaken all of them. My love.
Time to pick up.
She got one.
What have you done? We'll see them at the reunion. Let's go.
You don't understand, Damon. I will not leave them. They are my family.
That dude's gonna be up.
These people are my family.
What about him? What about Stefan?
Looks like that goofy fucker is gonna get up here. Yeah. Or no, that's Kai. He is also kind of a goofy fucker. Damn.
She said, "Fuck you, Kai."
They left him here with these goofy people.
Guy's back in the prison world.
Feel bad for him.
Do you?
Kinda, yeah. I like him. But good for Vaughn.
Nice and negligee.
Enzo. Hey.
Where's Matt? Dude.
Fucking at work.
But the truth is, you've been a pawn in a game that I've now lost interest in playing. You're no ordinary girl, Sarah Salvatore.
Salvatore.
Sarah. Salvatore? Why would you call me that? Mm-hmm.
The truth. Look.
The night of my funeral, an angel did visit him. Me.
Didn't see Damon though.
Leaned down to whisper into Stefan's ear. Hunger surged.
Oh.
You felt my absence. It is half as deep as I felt yours.
Easy to say.
When will we be going back?
Soon. Don't worry. Your prison world's not going anywhere.
Can he do it now? Like, is the Ascendant gone? Is it? I mean, this dude's gonna be here. Said it, but
Where do they keep the food?
no, he's not. He's not. Wake them all up.
Who the hell are you?
Oh, got Kai.
Go get some blood.
I'd like to believe that every time Stefan like turns his humanity switch off and becomes the Ripper, like a little feeling happens in Klaus's head. He's like, ah, my friend is back.
Look at these two. Horizontal.
Oh,
How did they manage to not do it on the bed and on the floor? Did they set this up before they did it?
Your way is much more fun.
Uh-oh.
Now they're the Ripper couple.
They're bad, but I just think it's entertaining.
For sure.
Damon, your mom is in the house.
Oh, hey. Bud.
Sorry.
Damon, you were
was
kind of
weird.
kind of into it.
I have to actually go check in on Rick to find out about Stefan and Caroline. So
Does Bonbon have a crush?
I don't know.
Did you see it?
I don't know.
That's not what I think it is it?
Those notes on the map of Nova Scotia, I would have never remembered.
What is it? The Cure, right? No.
There's a good chance that I wouldn't be here today. So for my
No.
94 road trip, I got you along.
What is it?
I don't know. This is The Cure.
Yeah, that's what it was in, right? Bro,
It's the Cure.
I said that before. I said it would be there, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because I have full faith that we'll get Caroline back to normal the old-fashioned way. Mostly because I knew you wanted it for Elena.
For now.
Give it to your mom.
My business. I'm just finishing what you started. You can give it to her or not.
Catherine took it.
It's up to you.
Damon's got the Cure, and it's his choice who it goes to.
I'm Team Donnie.
It's Bayman.
Is it?
That's what people say.
Donnie. Donnie Darko.
I kind of like Team Bayman. Wow, these episodes are juicy as hell. I love them so much, and I cannot wait to keep watching them. But we got Lily Salvatore out of the prison world, and we left Kai in it, so that just means I feel like we're definitely going to be back in that prison world. There's no doubt about it. As much as Bonnie doesn't want to go back there, they're definitely going to go back because Lily demands it. She needs those people. I don't know what's going to cause them to go back, what Lily's going to say, but she's back. She's ready to turn Stefan's humanity back on, and that will trigger Caroline to turn her humanity back on. And speaking of Stefan and Caroline, wow.
Yeah, Stefan was kind of spending the whole episode trying to convince Care to like really let go. I mean, they both have their humanity switches turned off, but Caroline's still trying to not feast on people and was even like cleaning up after herself, trying to maintain her spot at Whitmore. And Stefan's like, you gotta just fully let it go. It's so much better. And eventually he did convince her. They fed on that girl and then banged. And she said at the end, this way is way better than before. So I mean, I just don't even want to imagine, like, now I think she's going to follow suit with him and take off heads and just feed on everyone, and we just don't need that now. We do know that there's a good chance his switch could be flipped seeing his mom, because he loves her so much and doesn't know she's even alive at all, so that could be good. And Bonnie was pretty confident they're going to be able to bring Care back the normal way, so we'll see. But I hope we get this for at least a few episodes. I don't really want the season to end with them like this still, but I don't want it to be before like how we've had Elena or Steph with their humanity off just forever, it felt like sometimes. So I think it's going to be entertaining though.
The Cure, it's back, guys. It is back. It's the 1994 version of The Cure. Bonnie scooped it up on her little road trip while she was still stuck in the prison world. I mean, what an absolute gift to give to someone else. She was so casual about it too. Like, there was literally an entire season built around trying to get this cure, and now Bonnie's like, by the way, Damon, here it is. It's back, and it's up to Damon now. He is the keeper of the cure. He has the decision on who gets it. I mean, does he take it himself? Does he give it to Stefan? Does he give it to his mom? Does he give it to Elena?
He ain't taking it
I think
himself.
Lots of vampires that would be cured if they took this cure. So
I think the mom.
I think it's pretty obvious he's gonna give it to his mom. That's my opinion.
but yeah, that is a massive development. I don't know if Damon's ever had this much power in his hands before. I mean, he could literally just fucking make someone human again. So that's a big deal. I'm excited to see whoever he chooses.
If you guys like our videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out our links in the description. We got the Patreon, the Discord, and all of our social medias. And we'll catch you guys next time for season 6, episode 18. Peace out.